Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Bloomington Cascading cup fountain. First, carefully unbox all the components. You should find the main basin, the water pump, clear tubing, and the set of cascading cups. Place the main basin on a flat, stable surface where you intend for your fountain to reside. This initial step ensures you have all parts ready and a secure foundation for assembly. Next, let's connect the water pump. Take the clear tubing and firmly attach it to the pump's water outlet. It's crucial to ensure a snug fit here to prevent any water from leaking once the fountain is operational. Once connected, carefully place the pump inside the main basin, ideally centered, ready for the next steps of assembly. Now it's time to assemble the beautiful cascading cups. Carefully stack the cups one by one, following the design pattern. As you stack them, thread the clear tubing up through the central hole of each cup. Once all cups are stacked, secure the top cup firmly onto the tubing, ensuring the entire structure is stable and upright. Finally, let's get your fountain running. Fill the main basin with distilled water, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches below the rim. Once filled, plug in the pump to a power outlet and watch the water begin to cascade. If your pump has a flow control, you can adjust it to achieve your desired water effect. Enjoy your new, serene fountain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.